To measure your nails, first you'll need a book or a paper, pen and a marker, scale, tape and hand. Take a piece of tape and stick it onto your nail. While you're sticking the tape, make sure you use your other finger to pull back the skin that's overlapping your nail so that you can get the complete measurement of your nail. Repeat it on the other side of the nail too. Now identify the widest part of the nail and mark it using a marker. While marking, make sure you are marking the outer edge of the nail, not the inner edge. Again, don't forget to pull back your skin. Now make sure that both the lines that you have marked are parallel to each other. Once you're done marking, now pull off the tape and stick it back onto the paper. Before I start measuring the nails, I will write the name of the hand and the finger that I am measuring. Here I am measuring my left hand first and the thumb finger. So now I'll take my scale and start the measurements at 0. Measure the distance between those two marks so that you can get accurate measurements of your nails. You can mention them in centimeters or in millimeters. It is very important to understand the widest part of your nail. Few nails can be wide at the top and narrow at the bottom, or completely equal in size from top to bottom. Here my index finger is wide at the top, even wider in the middle and narrow at the bottom. So for my index finger, I will be measuring the widest part, that is the middle part, to take the measurement of the nail, because that would be the accurate measurement for my nails. Now my middle finger is widest at the top and narrow at the bottom, so I will be picking the top part for measuring. For my ring finger, I will be measuring the top part as I feel that is the widest part of my nail. Now I am going to repeat the same thing that I did. Put the tape on the nail, pull back the skin and make sure the tape sticks to the edges of the nail. I will start by marking the outer edge of my nails as I did to the thumbnail. You can see that I have marked on the nail too, and that will give me an incorrect measurement of my nail. So again, I am marking the outer edge of my nail. Now this is the proper way to mark your nails. Again, I will be sticking the tape onto the paper. Carefully measure them using my scale. If you are not sure about the exact measurement of your nails, you can add 1 mm, but make sure you are not saying less than what is marked, because even if the nail size is a bit more, you can just file it and make sure that it's your size. Comment below if you still have any doubts regarding the measurements.